I'm Jake McAfee with the McAfee Home Group. I'm out here at my gorgeous new listing. It's a private estate on 4.2 acres with a pond, 4-car garage, custom detail everywhere. By now you've probably already seen the videos, but I'm going to take you on a private tour. We're here on the beautiful front porch. You can notice all the custom stone and brick. You got a view of the pond, but now I got a real treat inside for you guys. Once you walk in, the views are breathtaking. You've got a huge view of the backyard, and you'll also notice all the custom detail around, from the ceiling to the walls to the wrought iron stairs. Beautiful dining room and hardwood floors. Now let's check out the master bedroom. You've got a huge room, recessed lighting with the tray ceilings, as well as enormous windows showcasing the incredible views. All right, now we're heading into the bathroom. You notice the high ceilings. You got a beautiful glass shower here, plenty of room for you and your significant other to get ready, and a big walk-in closet. Now it's time to take you guys to my favorite part of this house. Not only does it have a gorgeous kitchen with custom two-tone cabinets, but over here we've got the hearth room, and you'll notice a gas fireplace, a cozy ledge here, plenty of room for entertaining, and a beautiful view of your backyard. And now we're down in the basement. We've got a full kitchen, sink, pantry, plenty of room to entertain with all your friends, and we've also got a gas fireplace and plenty of room to cozy up for a movie. Now we're down the other side of the basement. This is where the entertaining takes place. We've got another room that could function as a bedroom, full bathroom with urinal, but even cooler, come on out here with me. You've got a gorgeous area secluded with hot tub, waterfall, patio, and views of the backyard. Now we're heading into the incredible custom garage. First of all, you notice the epoxy floors, the high ceiling, plenty of room for your cars and storage. We even got a little treat for you over here. We've got a salt chute, so no more lugging those big bags of salt downstairs. Whether you're into fishing, swimming, or just relaxing by the water, this private pier is perfect for relaxing after a long day. We're finishing up our tour here in the portico. This was intelligently designed to be right next to the kitchen, so you can pull up, unload the groceries, very convenient. Hope you enjoyed your tour today. If you want to see it in person, again, it's Jake McAfee with the McAfee Home Group. Give me a call.